Hi folks, how are you all doing today? Today we're going to create a cool pattern which is clock pattern with bunnies, okay? Or with rabbits, cutie rabbits, okay? So let's see how we can do this, right? Before starting off with anything, I would just like to tell you all guys that if you've not been watching my channel, please go back to my channel Folks Hub. Do open all the playlists, Applab, Playlab, and so on, right? Yeah, we have projects in Playlab, we have projects in Applab, and we have games, right? So do open all of those and check out all my videos, okay? So if you've not been watching the series in sequence, please do watch all of those videos in sequence so that you can absolutely understand whatever we have been discussing about, right? And yeah, there are some cool patterns if you want to learn how to create patterns on Artist Lab. We are using Artist Lab for doing this. We have used Frozen also to do patterns, right? Today, yes, I'm back with clock pattern using bunnies, right? This is going to be a cool pattern, a very simple pattern which I'm creating today because, I really don't want to, like heat up all your brains by only doing the logics and all, right? Programming concepts and all. Let's move something aside and learn something fun where you can enjoy doing this, right? I know I'm creating this for kids, so yeah, kids absolutely enjoy patterns, right? And yes, we are creating something cool, fun, in the artist lab today. Let's see. Let's start off with this, okay? So I'll be just like I'll be giving you the brief idea of how my sorry how I am doing this, right? So how I doing this is like first I'll be drawing the inner side of the clock, right? You have two, like a short hand and a big hand in the clock, right? We'll do that, okay? Along with that, if you want, you can actually do that seconds hand also, okay? I've not planned for it, but yes, if we want, we can do that, right? And then we'll draw 12 bunnies around, okay? So if you're drawing 12 bunnies around, that means it becomes like the first bunny will become the 12th, then one, two, three, so on, right? So it's something like this, okay? And yeah, let's start off creating this one. And if you want, you can absolutely improvise this by adding more code blocks, by adding more creativity of yours, right? So it's not really like I'm creating this and you can only do this, right? You can absolutely show your creativity, okay? I'm just giving you a template of how you can begin doing this, right? You can absolutely end up doing it, adding your own creativity and making more complex kind of a clock pattern, okay? So I'm creating a very simple clock pattern for you all guys, right? I'll be giving this template, I'll be sharing this in the description box below, okay? So if you have any questions, you can comment me in the comment section below, okay? So I'll be giving you a reply as soon as possible, right? Yes. And if you're creating new projects, like please do comment in the comment section below and send me those links so that I can just see how far you could understand and how far you could create, and how much creativity you have applied on your projects, right? So yes, let's start. Let's get started with this. So the first thing what I'm going to do is, let's go to brushes. You have few blocks here, okay? You can draw stickers. You can draw stickers of some size, right? So if you want to give a size, you can use this. If you don't want to give a size, you can use this. You can set patterns using this, okay? So we have set width, set alpha. Alpha is a transparency value which you can set for a color, okay? So if you have not watched my colors thing, RGB colors video, please do go back to my channel, Folks Hub. Go to playlist Applab, right? In the Applab series, you have a video called as RGB colors, right? Please do watch that to understand about this alpha in detail, okay? And then yeah, we can use set color, random color to set the random color. We can use set color to set the color, okay? So I am using the set pattern block to set the pattern. If you want a dark, thick line, you can absolutely use this. But in fact, I actually want this pause. Okay, I'm using this, and it's not really compulsory that you only have to use this. Like I told you, you can use any pattern which is here, which is present in this, right? So you can use this, you can use this, all basically. Okay, but yeah, I want to use this. Okay, so that's I'm just using this. Now what I want to do is I want to draw the smaller hand first, and then I'll be drawing the big hand. Okay. So let's go to actions. You have this move forward block. So I will be moving forward by 70 pixels. You can see it's moving forward by 70 pixels, drawing this pattern, right? Okay, then I actually want to move backward till here, and then I will turn left and then move ahead for drawing the big hand. Okay, so basically you can consider that I'm just drawing a 3 p.m. thing. Okay, so let's do. So let's go to actions. So just jump backward. Okay, use jump while you're moving backward, right? Because it doesn't draw a line if you're jumping backward. So if you're moving backward, what happens is it draws a line there, and we don't want our pattern to be seeming to be a messy thing there, right? So that's why I'm just jumping backward like this, okay? So that it doesn't draw any line and it looks neater, right? You can see this, right? Now, so now I just have to turn left. So let's just turn left. We know if you want to turn left in a right angle, we have to use 90 degrees, right? So 90 degrees, absolute 90 degrees. Okay. Then again, so we'll have to move forward because it has to draw a line. So now I'll just write 100 pixel line because the shorthand, this is a big hand, right? So it should definitely be bigger than the one which we are already creating. If you want, you can increase the size also, no problem. That's up to you how much you want it. Okay. Then after moving forward, we have to actually jump. Okay, so jump forward by some pixels. If you want to skip this one, you can absolutely skip it and directly jump backward. Okay, so I'm just directly jumping backward by same 100 pixels again, because I just want to go into the middle again. Okay, that's why I'm doing this one. Now we'll have to start off a repeat loop because we want to repeat the same bunny here, and it should completely come 12 times. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm just going to repeat loop, then I'll actually repeat it 12 times because we know we need 12 bunnies, because this is a clock, right, after all, and we have 12 in a clock. So that's why. Okay. So what I have to do, I have to place it here first, then then 1, 2, 3, so on like this till 11. Okay. So first we'll have to jump forward because it should not draw a line. Instead, it has to jump there, right? So I'll jump forward by 120 pixels. Okay. So don't worry, it repeated the same thing 12 times. So now you can't see the Bob, right? Don't worry, he'll be back soon. Okay. Then I'm just going to brushes. Let's go here. Let's take this draw sticker. Okay. So you can choose any from all of these stickers. I am using this bunny because I like it. It's so cute. And I'll just give a 50 pixel bunny, right? Because this size is cool, right? This is good. Okay. So that's why I'm just giving 50 pixels. If you want bigger one, you can absolutely increase the size. If you want a smaller one, you can decrease the size. Okay. So let me just show you with 60 pixels. So this is how it is. 70 pixels. This is how it is. If you want this, you can keep it. Okay, up to you. The size is absolutely up to you. And then we again have to jump backward. Okay, so because we have to turn and then jump forward, it's like that, right? So that's why going to actions, taking this jump block. So I am jumping backward by 120 pixels because we have jumped forward by 120, no? So same way we have to jump backward by 120. Now you will turn right and repeat these 4 steps again and again to complete the pattern. Okay. So turn right. So turn right by 30 degrees only. How 30 degrees? I will let you know. So we want 12 things, right? Okay. So the complete angle, like we want it in a circle format, no? So complete angle will be 360 degrees. Okay. So 360 divided by 12. We need same kind of bunny 12 times, right? So 360 divided by 12 will give you 30. So that's why I'm writing 30. If you want 14, then 360 by 14 you have to do. If you want 10 only, 360 by 10, that means 36 degrees you have to move. Okay. So let's suppose if I write 36, you see here we only got 10 bunnies. Okay. So but this doesn't make any sense when you are actually doing the clock pattern, right? So that's why we are doing 30 so that it absolutely replicates the clock thing. So now this bunny will represent 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so this is how it is, right? And this is the coolest bunny pattern, right? Clock pattern with bunnies. Okay, so I've just renamed this project as Bunny Clock, and it's absolutely up to you if you want to keep it or want to change it from bunny to any other robot or thing you have. So we have multiple characters here. You can absolutely use them. Okay. So if you want like all 12 characters to be different, then you can't really use repeat loop. Instead, you can repeat these four steps again and again, right? To 12 times to create such kind of a pattern. Okay. So any character you can use. If you want same character, then you can absolutely use the repeat loop. I have used this repeat because code becomes more simpler, right? While you're using only one single character. If not, what happens? The code will be, I mean, will be more lengthy. Yeah, if you can write that lengthy code, absolutely you wish, you can absolutely do that. Not at all an issue. Okay. So then, if you really don't want to see Bob over here, right, then what can you do is you just go to actions. But yeah, we also wanted to draw that seconds line, right? Let's draw that and then we'll make the bunny, sorry, we'll make Bob disappear. Okay. So, first thing, let's just align him towards this thing or this thing at least, right? So, I think this thing would be fine, right? Like this or like this. So let's turn him first. Turn left, turn left by 9, 120. Let me say 120. Okay, I think this is good. Now just move forward. So move forward by, this is seconds line. I'll just move forward by 100. I think this is good. But let's set a different pattern for the second line because this and this are same and we don't want that to happen, correct? So let's go to brushes. Let's go to set pattern, get this. See, this is becoming a seconds line now. Okay. So if you don't want this, you can use this. Whoa. Okay. This is not that good. Let me just use this. Okay, this matches, but not so impressive, right? Okay, this is better. Not really bad, na? He's just rushing there. It feels like he's just rushing there. Okay, all right. After drawing the seconds thing, then we don't want our bob to be standing over here because this really doesn't good look good, right? So that's why I'm just going to actions. You have this jump to 0 over 0. Okay, drag this, place it. You can see, you can really not see any character over here on the screen. How and why? Because it is jumping to 0 over 0 down. Okay, 0 over 0 down is nothing but on the top left it goes and you can't really see the character. Okay, if I say 0 over 20 down, see, it is coming 20 pixels down till here. Okay, so 0 over 0 down is like the origin point of the canvas. Here on the canvas the origin is on the top left, so that's why you can't really see him. Okay, so this, we can use this for making the bob invisible. Okay, so we are really not making him invisible here. he will be present over here, but you can't really see him on the screen, so it's almost like making him invisible, right? So that's how. Let's run it and check. Oh my god, it's so fast, no? So what I will do, I'll just make this slower. Yeah. So it's like this. Slowly, it is just doing all the bunnies. So it is actually moving ahead, drawing a bunny, moving backward, turning right, again moving ahead, drawing bunny, turning right. So basically, all these four steps are repeated again and again. Jumping forward, drawing sticker, jumping backward, turning right. Okay. So yeah, I hope you understood this, right? So yeah, this is how very simple and cool bunny clock pattern we have created today. Okay, I hope you understood this and you're pretty happy with this. Okay, yes, of course you can improve this more and more. You can use some more cool patterns, some more cool stickers, and you can also mention the numbers beside the sticker if you want, right? So let's suppose you can do this thing. I'll do a small thing here. If this is okay, I mean, if you can succeed on this, jump forward, jump forward by 10 pixels maybe. Or it changes the complete pattern. No worries, because again we can reset it back. So go to brushes, maybe let's just set color, red color, but it can't. Okay, no problem. Just move ahead, not move forward, but instead we want to display something, right? Number of variables. How can this be done then? Shall we create a variable for this or? Oh, okay. I think we can use this draw a circle. Radius, let's just go to math. Let's take this. Okay, um, let's write 5 basically. Okay. And jump backward by, this is not 120 this time because it is 130, because we need the same kind of a circle, right? So that's why. Okay, and you can see you have these circles on the bunnies, right? So what I just wanted to show you is like it's this is the one thing, second thing, third thing, and all. So this is more cool now, right? You can absolutely see that this is the first thing, this is the second thing, and all. Okay, so if you want to if you want a circle, you can do that. If you want a square, you can do that. If you want a star, you can do that. If you want a triangle, you can do that. Okay, or if you want to create a new function and display a number, that would be more cool, right? So you can actually create a function also, right? So if you want, I will be doing that thing in my next video if you request for. Okay, so if not, we can leave this, right? So this is how we can create a clock pattern, and this is something again absolutely very cool, we can say, right? So yes, you can explore more like this and you can do more. What did I just do here is I've just moved jump forward by 10 more pixels, right? And then I've set the color by red and I've just drawn a circle. Okay, so it's drawing a circle of radius 5. That's it. And I'm just jumping backward because I'm jumping forward by 10. Here I'm jumping forward by 120. Summing it up will become 130. So that's why I'm jumping backward by 130. That's it. Okay. There's no, like hard and fast rule for creating any pattern, right? It's absolutely up to you how you want to do it and how you want to make your pattern look like. Correct. So that's it. So this is all for today, and hope you understood this and hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be meeting you again in the next video, right? So till then, you know what you have to do. You just have to watch all my videos in a sequence, and yes, keep watching Folks Hub, keep coding, keep practicing, enjoy coding, enjoy learning, right? I will be back with a brand new video again. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Have a great day, all. Thank you so much for watching this video.